This is how it works using the self-stick I bought for 30 euro. Ninatawanan ako guys kasi ang mahal daw. Para lang daw sa stupid stick. Let's eat. Did you know that I like mushroom?
I like mushrooms too. One of my favorites.
Yeah. I like the breakfast here. It's more healthier.
This breakfast, where?
Sure.
No, it's good.
You don't like butter?
Of course I like it, but I just don't like it.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna put it all there in the bread. I like that kind of butter. We have this butter, you know, in Qatar when I was working in the hotel. I keep it and I bring it to my dorm. Yeah, because most of the customer didn't use it.
Yeah.
So, you know.
You're gonna throw it away, right?
Yeah. But you know what, in Qatar, we are not allowed to bring the food. No, outside. We're done at the coffee shop and now we're going to ice skating. You want to go to the ice skating? Guys, kakaiba yung build ng mall dito kasi yung escalator dito. Ayan. Katulad nito, you go first. Katulad nito, pababa lang siya. So, going down. And then, itong taas na to, supposed to be dapat going up siya. So, going down din siya. And dun sa other side, nandun yung going up. So, puro going up lang yung escalator dito. And dito naman is puro going down. So, ganun binild yung mall dito. Kakaiba, no? Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas. Kapag may going up, may going down. Dito, hindi. So, ayan siya, guys. Puro pababa lang siya. And nandoon yung going up. You're not allowed there. Nandun yung going up na escalator. See this escalator? That one. Going up. So, dito kami sa pinaka-basement nitong mall. And this is the ice skating. You want to go ice skating na lang? You want?
I don't want to have shorts on.
Is that allowed?
Yeah, it's allowed.
Come here. I just want to see some things there. This is how it works using the self-stick I bought for 30 euro. Ninatawanan ako guys kasi ang mahal daw. Oh my God! Para lang daw sa stupid stick.
Stupid stick.
Stupid stick.
$30 stick. 30 euros.
So, kasi you know what, my love, we can use this for our travel if we're gonna go somewhere. So it's easy to hold the phone.
We made a good purchase today.
Yeah, at least. Why you sent me the photo? Why?
I don't know. So delete it.
Nakalabas na kami ngayon ng guys ng mall and pabalik na kami ngayon sa bus stop. Pabalik sa apartment. So, medyo mainit na. What time, my love? What's already time?
Time?
Yep. So, it's already 1:30 and sobrang init ngayon dito. As in. So, we're going back at the bus stop. Pabalik sa aming apartment and done for the mall for the day. Stop a lot of smoke here. So, I think 2 minutes walk lang to from bus stop. And dadaanan namin yung City of Dreams. Nakakaloka dito kasi yung location ng City of Dreams dito is hindi siya yung tourist spot talaga. Look, that's the City of Dreams. So, hindi siya tourist spot. Hindi siya katulad sa sa Manila, sa Pasay na tabi-tabi yung mga hotel. Dito, I think that's the only hotel here.
Where?
Close to the mall.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Because you know what, in the Philippines, my love, you can find the City of Dreams beside other hotel, 5-star hotel. Not
This
like
is
that.
brand new. They built it all the way out here.
Oh yeah.
There's no hotel out here. The tourists don't stay. They go shopping here and then they go back to the beach.
Okay.
Beach hotels. Wanna go in the City of Dreams?
You wanna go down? We're waiting now for the bus. Ayan yung bus, guys. So, mag-aantay kami ng papaalis. Actually, ito yung pinaka final bus stop ng mga bumabiyahe papuntang city. So, there's a bus there, my love. The orange one. We're at the bus now. So, wala pang tao.
A few moments later.
Guys, andito kami sa tabi ng dagat ngayon. So, it's already 5 PM. Pero, madilim na dito. Actually, kanina kakagaling lang namin ng ng city sa mall. And then, dumaan kami sa pasyalan doon. At yung kasama ko, hindi na naman mapakali sa bahay. So, lalabas daw kami. And sabi ko, sa may dagat, tabing dagat kami dadaan. Kaya right now, andito kami ngayon sa tabing dagat. So, eto yung public beach dito sa Limassol. So, pwede ka mag-swimming dito nang walang bayad. So, ayaw niya kasi nasasama sa video ko. Hindi pa raw siya ready. So, why? We can pass here. Tinatamad na siya. So, sabi niya, kasi since nawala pa kaming internet sa bahay, so I'm using the mobile data. Sabi niya, pupunta kami ng coffee shop para daw mag-edit daw ako ng video. So, sino niyo yung mga cats dito? And this one too. Grabe guys, yung mga pusa dito, street cat lang sila pero para silang mga alaga, ang tataba. Sagana sila sa pagkain. Kasi everyday merong nagpapakain dito ng mga turista. Kaya yung mga pusa dito hindi mo na naisip na na ano sila, street cut. Hindi katulad sa street cut sa Pilipinas, mga malnourished. Dito talaga, that one is Harmony Hotel now. So, may hotel dito guys. Ayan. What is that hotel?
Atlantica.
Atlantica Hotel. So, ayan guys. Tabi lang siya ng dagat. Meron din siya swimming pool. So, yan yung hotel. And, ito yung dagat. So, diba? Pakalapit lang. Sabi ko, kung pupunta kami ng coffee shop, dadaan kami sa by the beach. Kasi nananawa na ako, laging punta namin sa coffee shop. Actually, favorite nito puntahan yung Costa Coffee. Sabi ko sa may dagat kami dadaan. Ayaw, lagi kasi kami dumadaan sa may kalsada. Eh, layo-layo nung Costa Coffee kasi mula sa apartment namin. So, actually, walking distance din naman siya. Pero, grabe, malayo talaga siya guys. So, ang ganda ng place dito actually. See that? That one is Harmony Hotel.
This is Atlantica.
This one.
Those are condo apartments.
Okay. Another one is also is Atlantis. Ganyan yung tabi niya ng dagat. See? Para kang nasa Boracay. Pero, ang lalaki ng hotel dyan, as in. Tapos, yung beach nila dito is black sand.
Some parts of the island. Depends where you are. Some is white, some is dark.
So, yeah.
On my Facebook, you can see white.
My love, I think I can do jogging here every day. You can stay at the Costa Coffee. Ganda dito guys, pag every morning and afternoon, like ngayong oras na, ang ganda mag-jogging dito, promise. Especially ngayon na winter na dito. Kaya naka-jacket kami guys. Ngayon, hindi pa masyadong malamig na yung 5 PM dito. Pero later, around 7, 8, yung pagpagabi na, sobrang lamig dito. As in, talagang manunuot sa balat mo talaga. Sa buto-buto mo, hanggang buto-buto mo yung lamig. Eh lalo na tabi ito ng dagat. So sobrang malamig. Onti yung tao ngayon dito kasi nga, winter season na, napupuno daw tong beach na to kapag summer season. So, yan. Ganyan siya. Parang Boracay din. Crowded kapag summer season. Ayan. Ang ganda guys. Tomorrow we're planning to go to the beach. Pero hindi dito. Somewhere doon malapit sa pinaka main city. So, maraming doon. Mas maraming turista, mas maraming naliligo. Pupunta kami doon bukas. So, mostly makikita nyo dito, yung mga tao dito is from UK, Germany. Bihira nyo lang dito makikita yung mga Asian people. Karamihan dito talaga mga white people. So, yan. See? That's nice. My love, maybe we can go to Harmony Hotel, like for 3 days, 3 nights. Yeah, you have voucher there.
Send me there.
Yeah,
With the lights.
we can use your voucher for 3 days only. Oh, ito yung Harmony Hotel, guys. So, dapat kasi summer nandito na ako. So, 2 weeks dapat yung visit ko rito. Kaso, hindi ako natuloy kasi nagkasakit si Jowa. So, ang ginawa namin, nag-re-apply kami ng tourist visa dito. 3 weeks naman siya. And, ito yung hotel na dapat na pag-i-stayhan namin. Yung Harmony Hotel. But, ang ginawa is, since hindi namin nagamit yung reservation namin for 2 weeks, ang ginawa na lang siyang voucher. Kaya, ayan, mayroon siyang 1,500 euro na voucher sa Harmony Hotel. Kasi 2 weeks nga yung nabayaran niya doon. Pwede namin siyang gamitin anytime. This season kasi na winter dito, mas mura yung mga hotel. Kaya, mas mura namin makukuha yung rooms kapag ginamit namin yung voucher niya. So, yeah. That one is Harmony Hotel. My love, what is that? That one is a condominium too?
Apartments.
Oh, that's nice. Guys, so, tingnan nyo. It's a condo apartments. Ganda, no? So nice. Ganda. Tabi lang ng dagat yan, guys. And also, pwede kayong umupo dito pag nasa tabi lang kayo ng dagat. See, may mga chairs dyan. Like that. And madilim na, guys. So, I think it's already 6 p.m. now. And we're still walking, going to Costa Coffee.
I'm walking too slow.
Oh, yeah. So.
Somebody's working.
Oh, there's a light here. It's just like in Korea. It's a sensor lights. Yeah. Well.